Being a designer, I have heard this multiple times that why do you want to participate in a hackathon? It's not for you, it's not for designers. They very frequently say that this caffeine filled, adrenaline rushed place is not the place where creativity happens, it is where the execution happens very quickly. So, if you have also heard this before, ignore those people. You are a unicorn in this arena. You are a unicorn among all the other people because you can bring that unique sparkle. I'm going to take you on my ride of participating in hackathons, and I don't think it's just for coders. If you think hackathons are just for coders, please think again after watching this video. I found it as a place where I learned, experimented, and did things very quickly at a speed which I have never experienced before. So let's dive in. You might feel like there is a sea of people around you, everybody having their fingers dancing over the keyboards, a lost world where everybody is so deep into their work. But amidst all that chaos, there I was, thinking on the product front, thinking on what should be there in this design. If you feel like what is your arsenal in this world, so the jaw-dropping visuals, the user-first interaction. So what I learned over there was that was my first time working on a iOS design in a real-world arena. So for the first time, I could understand how a iOS developer thinks. I could also ask a lot of questions and bounce all the ideas so they could tell me, no, no, this won't work, this could work. And we iterated very quickly. So I also learned new things, how developer thinks. Somewhere I got a better idea. And if you think we didn't make mistakes, we made a lot of mistakes. But oh, the learning behind all that, that was priceless. In that amount of time, I would love to do that experience all over again. But you might feel like, okay, if I work on a startup, there might be a high paced condition where also I might feel this. But there is one more thing to hackathons. Hackathons are like the place where everybody is there. All the giants in your industry, the mentors, the judges, everybody over there knows something more than you and they are there willingly to help you out. So look at the wisdom, gain some knowledge, share laughs, and of course, a selfie. Because all this is going to be a memory. Also, I have been in two hackathons so far. I have learned a lot, won something in second one, but that experience was amazing for me because there I could see that satisfaction in my eye where I knew that this is all I could do. My power was limitless, and when required, I knew that I can do this again. So, it was amazing experience for me, and that's what I want you to have as well. Go there, try and explore. You'll meet amazing people, you'll learn a lot, and that would be experience worth remembering.